In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a background image with text above in Klaviyo. To get started, open your Klaviyo account and look for the area where templates are managed. You will be using a template so your layout is ready for your email content, and it is also a simple way to keep everything organized. First, go to Content, then click Templates. This takes you to the template dashboard, where you can see existing templates and create new ones. When you arrive on this screen, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the templates list, since that is where the Create option lives. Next, click Create Template. This action opens a setup panel that asks you what type of template you want to build. Since our goal is to place a background image with text above it, you want to choose the Email Template option, so the layout tools are available for email content. Now select Email. Once you choose Email, Klaviyo will guide you into building the template for email use. At this point, you may see a blank editor or an initial layout area. That is expected, and it is exactly where you will add your blocks. After that, add an image block. Look for the option to insert a block, then choose Image. An image block is what will hold your background image, and it is the foundation of the design you are trying to create. Once the image block is added, you will need to upload your background image. Use the upload control within the image block and select the file from your computer. After the upload completes, make sure the image appears in the editor preview. This preview step matters because it confirms the image is rendering correctly before you place the text on top. Now, with the image in place, you will add your text. Click to add a text block below the image. You are placing the text below the image block in the structure, which ensures your text content can be positioned and presented clearly as the content layer above the background visual. After the text block is added, enter your text. Type the message you want your audience to see, such as a headline or a short offer. Take a moment to check the text formatting and spacing within the text block, because good contrast and clear wording are important when placed over an image background. When you have entered the text and verified it looks right in the preview area, it is time to save your work. Click Save. Saving ensures that your template is stored and ready to use later, and it also prevents losing any changes if you navigate away. Finally, after saving, take one last look at the editor or preview to confirm the background image and the text appear the way you intended. If anything looks off, you can return and edit the image block or text block, but saving first is still a good habit. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.